Hello amigos, this is Ankika. Welcome to my Hydra Love channel again. How are you all? I'm here once again to share with you about the simple types of exercises today. Many may not be able to hit the gym due to their low energy or may be feeling very exhausted after they do workout in a gym. So for those people, here are the 5 best exercises which can help you all to lose weight, be healthy and to stay fit. Let's know what are these. First, walking. Walking is the simplest form of exercise and also the safest one. It is an exercise where virtually no risk is involved. A 45-minute brisk walk is a walk in the woods, will make you sweat and will make you stay fit due to the inhalation of the oxygen levels from the nature. Second one is swimming. An exercise in the water gives a tremendous impact on your body. It is a low impact form of exercise that is easy on your joints. This exercise is simply the best for those people who love to be in the water. Let me tell you guys, a 1-hour swim a day will help you in your weight management. Third one is jogging. A jog every morning will increase your stamina and your capacity to exercise. Start with small duration and gradually increase it day by day. This exercise will ultimately give you your toned body. Fourth one is jumping rope. Jumping rope, as you all know, is called as skipping. It's the exercise with a rope which can do wonders. Think of your favorite boxers, wrestlers and fighters. They all jump rope. It's cheap, easy to do and increases food speed and burns a ton of calories. Next one, that is the last one, is cycling. Taking up cycling can be one of the best exercise or decisions you will make in life. Giving only half an hour a day has many benefits, let me tell you. It is a workout which improves mental well-being, builds muscles, cuts heart diseases and so on. So guys, join clubs where you can do cycling in groups at different places. So get up and do these exercises to get moving. As we all know, it is said that life begins at the end of your comfort zone. To get something, you have to begin to move your body so as to stay fit. Okay guys, bye bye now. Stay tuned for my next videos and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.